Okay, so I wanted to apologize about the last video. I know the end is black. I have no idea what happened, so I had to make this part 3. So in the end of the last video, we joined our rings. Remember, it came up perfectly. So now we're gonna do our last chain, and we have to connect it to our flower, our center flower. So I'm just gonna go through that. Oops, that I thread my needle. Let me thread my needle real quick. And so you're just gonna go through the middle picot. There are 5, so go through the middle one and start doing your 8 double stitches. Okay, and hold those stitches and pull your needle through. There we go. And then you're gonna reverse your work just like that. Do a little knot at the top. Okay, and then you're gonna go right underneath the ring next to it. So just put your needle, I like to go under, so go under, right underneath the ring. Okay, and then pull it through. Here we go. And then you want to make 2 little knots so it's very secure. Okay, so 1 and 2, and you can weave in your ends. If you don't know how to weave in your end, I'll put a link right here and you can weave in your ends. Thank you so much for watching. This was a very hard tutorial to do because either my camera or my program that I use wasn't working that good. So let me know what you think. Just leave me a comment or like this video, and thank you for subscribing, and happy tatting.